Welcome to Pure Yoga Flow, where every breath brings you closer to a healthier, calmer, and stronger you. Let's begin this journey together. Lines on yoga and healthcare. 1. Yoga strengthens both your body and mind naturally. 2. Daily practice reduces stress and improves sleep quality. It boosts immunity and keeps your heart healthy. 4. Simple poses can improve flexibility and energy levels. 5. Yoga creates inner peace and long-lasting happiness. Welcome to Pure Yoga Flow. Here, yoga is more than just movement. It's a journey to peace, strength, and balance. In today's session, we'll help you release stress, refresh your mind, and energize your body. Take a deep breath. This is your moment. Let's begin. 5 lines for you. 1. Yoga brings peace to your mind and strength to your body. With every breath, you release stress and welcome calm. Daily practice builds balance, focus, and inner energy. Yoga connects you to your true self and pure positivity. This is not just exercise, it's a lifestyle of peace and health.